mabutit na namatay yung ingay. No? Sabi, ito yung air prisoner para hindi kami magka-COVID. Ang problema nito, baka pag uwi namin, mag-chill na kami. That is not a problem of the Department of Education. But the lack of communications or how to get through these students, baski radyo lang. Ang radyo ngayon is hindi naman mahal. Will pa 300 sabi ni Secretary Briones. Baka kung magtagal ito